Does your device need a repair? We offer a free diagnostic, home collection and delivery with no calls or travel required. We send you a quote before repair, and we only proceed with your agreement. Convenient, transparent, and professional. Link in the description. To begin, ensure you have the following tools at hand: a Phillips screwdriver, a plastic spudger, and an anti-static wrist strap. These tools will help you safely and effectively replace the battery in your HP Pavilion 5-BC450NS. First, power off your laptop completely and disconnect it from any power source. It's crucial to avoid any electrical hazards during this process. Next, flip the laptop over to access the back panel. You will notice several screws securing the panel in place. Using your Phillips screwdriver, carefully remove these screws and place them in a safe location to avoid losing them. Once the screws are removed, use the plastic spudger to gently pry open the back panel. Be cautious not to apply too much force, as this could damage the casing. As you lift the panel, take a moment to inspect the internal components for any dust or debris. If you notice any, use a can of compressed air to clean the area, ensuring your laptop remains in optimal condition. Now, locate the battery. It is typically a rectangular component with a connector attached to the motherboard. To remove the battery, first, disconnect the battery connector by gently pulling it away from the motherboard. If you find this step challenging, remember we offer professional diagnosis without obligation, ensuring you receive the help you need. Next, you will see screws securing the battery in place. Carefully remove these screws and set them aside. Once the screws are out, you can lift the battery out of its compartment. Take a moment to compare the old battery with the new one to ensure compatibility. Now it's time to install the new battery. Place it into the compartment, ensuring it fits snugly. Reconnect the battery connector to the motherboard, making sure it is securely attached. This step is crucial for the battery to function correctly. After the new battery is in place, replace the screws that hold it down. Ensure they are tightened properly, but be careful not to over-tighten, as this could damage the battery or the laptop. Once the battery is secured, it's time to reattach the back panel. Align it carefully and press down until it clicks into place. Then, replace the screws you removed earlier to secure the back panel. Before powering on your laptop, it's a good idea to check for any loose screws or components. If everything looks good, flip your laptop back over and connect it to the power source. Press the power button and watch as your HP Pavilion 15BC450NS comes to life with its new battery. If this seems too tricky, remember we offer collection and delivery at your home, so you can avoid the hassle of doing it yourself. Plus, with our service, there are no calls, no travel, and you'll receive a quote before any repair is undertaken. This way, you can have peace of mind knowing exactly what to expect. In conclusion, replacing the battery in your HP Pavilion 15-BC450NS is a straightforward process if you follow these steps carefully. Regular maintenance and timely battery replacement can significantly enhance your laptop's performance and longevity. Does your device need a repair? We offer a free diagnostic, home collection and delivery, with no calls or travel required. We send you a quote before repair, and we only proceed with your agreement. Convenient, transparent, and professional. Link in the description.